Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add WhatsApp chat to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is WhatsApp chat. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login next to the sign up for free. Here you're going to be in applications, and in search you just want to write WhatsApp. And you got it here, WhatsApp chat. Let's create a widget. Now you have general, support, sale, booking. I recommend going with the general, that's the best one. Let's continue with the template. Now you just simply add your WhatsApp number, and then you get chat bubble here that you can change, and chat header, and welcome message. You can edit everything. Position, style, everything's right. Then just click save on the top right. When you're gonna do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And right now what you want to do is just write HTML in Elementor site editing, paste it, and paste the code. Right when you're gonna do it, and you're going to preview the change, on the right bottom you can see WhatsApp chat. Pretty simple, pretty easy. But what is my recommendation? Like, this way you will have it only one website, on one site, one page. What you want to do is go to appearance, theme editor, and just go to theme header or theme footer, that's like up to you, and just add it under the body, right? Or like here, but I would just add it under the body and paste the code. And this way you can simply add WhatsApp chat. So yeah, to your whole site. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.